Alright peeps, we are back with another video. I believe that I am getting super sick, but I'm going to keep coming to you guys to give you guys looks. So we are starting out with the James Charles palette. We are going to use these two colors. So the first color that I'm going to use is going to be this one. And I'm going to apply that on here. And that's going to be our transition color. I'm going to bring it into the inner corner. Kind of hold your head up a little bit just to make sure it gets all in there. And you want to just blend that out really good. Okay, so now I'm going to do the other eye and then I will be right back. Okay, so now we're going to go in. Oh, sorry, my TV's loud. Let me turn it down. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this color. We're gonna apply that into the crease. Kind of hold your head back a little bit just to make sure it gets all into the crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye and then I will be right back. Alright, so we're gonna go in with like just a smidget of black. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll be back. I'm actually gonna do a cut crease as well, and then we'll come back to camera and we'll finish up. Okay guys, so you guys remember in my last video I told you guys when I normally try to do like a neutral cut crease, I try to do 3 colors. Well, we're gonna try to do 3 colors today with this cut crease. It's all in the fall season. We are going to do this color, and then this color, and maybe this one. I'm not sure, maybe 4. Let's see how many we can get into the crease. So let me find a brush and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna start with this color, the first color I pointed to. I kind of pointed to them in order, so we should be okay. But we're gonna start just right here on the outer corner, like into that black a little bit. Okay. Doing like a nice little build up on it. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and now. Okay, so now I'm going in with that second color, the gold color, and we're gonna go right on top. It's right on top. Which is a lightish gold. Sorry, I keep hitting something. My bad. Once again, we're gonna go over, like kind of overlapping with the previous color. I'm gonna bring this in kind of towards the inner corner. corner, but not all the way, because we want to go in with one more color. I don't know, it's just something about overlapping colors that just make it just pop and blend. I don't know. I might be tripping, y'all. Y'all let me know if I'm tripping. If it don't look right, y'all let me know. Now I'm just like barely, we're kind of like pushing it into the eyelid. Bish. Check this eye now. Okay, now I'm gonna go over it just a little bit with that previous color, that little dark gold that we had, and just kind of tap it, tap, just so you can see it and it's not overpowered. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, we're gonna go in with our fourth color and our finale color. Give me a second to clean off my brushes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna take that very bright color and just tap it right here into the inner corners. I had to get a smaller brush. I don't know if you guys can see better. Okay, had to get a smaller brush just to make sure I could fit within the corners there. Yeah. So we're just gonna give it that pop on the inner corner. Be real careful. Okay. And sometimes you might have to do a build up. I tell you guys that in like almost every video. Building color is amazeballs. Okay. So that is that. I'm gonna do my liner and my lashes and I will be back. Okay, my ladies, sorry about that. So these are the short lashes I was telling you guys about. I am going to start my own lash line. If you guys are interested in achieving and getting these lashes, then just let me know below. These, like I said, they are the short ones. These are, I think, 5D minks. So they're not as long at all as the 25 mm's, and they look gorgeous. This is them in the package, and then this is them on. Just beautiful. So I'm gonna finish the look and then I'll be back. All right, my people, this is the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and then I will be back. But so far, I'm freaking loving it. Like, it does look so fallish. The lashes are flipping amazeballs. Let me get in so you guys can see. I don't feel like they're too much, but then again, I'm used to wearing lashes. I think my ladies will appreciate these. These are very lightweight. They're very natural looking. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and then I'll come back and give you guys a full view. Okay, peeps, this is my finished look. If you guys enjoy watching this video, then make sure that you continue to, I was gonna say continue to watch, but it's kind of stupid. Anyway, if you enjoy watching this video, then make sure that you like, give me a thumbs up, and then make sure that you subscribe below. I love you guys, and I will continue to make content as long as you guys continue to watch. I love you.